Prove that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. LHS RHS. Now LHS a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, we have to write it as a plus b into a plus b. A into this bracket a plus b plus b into this bracket a plus b. A into a square plus a into b, ab plus b into a, again ab plus b into b, b square. A square plus 1ab, 1ab. Add these two, 2ab plus b square. This equal to RHS.